Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're featuring the best wrist wrap for weightlifting, the Fitgriff lifting straps and wrist wraps bundle in camo gray. If you're serious about elevating your gym workouts, this gear combo could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's get right into what makes this product a top choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. The Fitgriff bundle includes both lifting straps and wrist wraps, designed to work in harmony for strength training. Whether you're deadlifting, bench pressing, doing pull-ups, or pushing through intense push-ups, these are built to support you at every step. The first thing you'll notice is how they elevate your performance. By improving your grip and offering solid wrist stability, you can lift more, push harder, and do it all with more confidence. One standout feature is the comfort level. Fitgriff has integrated ergonomically placed thumb loops into the wrist wraps, making them easy to secure and super comfortable. The lifting straps are equipped with neoprene padding, reducing pressure on your wrists and preventing that annoying digging feeling that can distract you mid-set. The soft yet secure fit allows you to concentrate fully on your workout. No more adjusting gear between reps. Let's talk quality. These are made with 100% premium cotton, which means durability is built in. They're designed to last through your most intense training sessions. Fitgriff added anti-fray technology and tough seams to the wrist cuffs, so you're getting gear that holds up under pressure, session after session. Fit is another area where this bundle shines. The straps and wraps are universally sized, meaning they can accommodate any wrist size. Plus, they're smartly labeled, left, and right, saving you time and confusion when gearing up. This attention to detail reflects how Fitgriff understands what lifters actually need: simplicity and reliability. Worried about using them for the first time? Don't be. The bundle comes with simplified instructions that make getting started effortless. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the setup is quick and the learning curve is almost non-existent. Fitgriff made sure that anyone can open the box and be ready to go in just minutes. In short, the Fitgriff lifting straps and wrist wraps bundle is designed to meet high expectations. You get strength, comfort, durability, and ease of use, all in one sleek camo gray package. If you're looking to invest in lifting gear that truly supports your performance, this might just be your new favorite training partner. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a product breakdown. See you in the next one.